Hi, this is Uma Raj and welcome to Excel 2019 Fundamentals. In this tutorial, we will learn all about the Excel Paste Special feature and also we will look at the tool Format Painter. These are the keyboard shortcuts for copying and pasting data in Excel. Ctrl+C will copy the selection. It can be a single cell or a range of cells. Ctrl+V will paste what is being copied to the destination cell or range of cells you specify. Ctrl+X will copy the selection and cut and remove the contents from the selection to be pasted to the destination, and Ctrl+Alt+V will open the paste special window with many options for pasting data. We are going to learn about the paste special feature in this tutorial. Hey, I have included a link to the copy and paste basics window in the description box below for your reference, and I demonstrated all the paste option in that video except how to copy comments, data validation and also the conditional formatting. So now we will see how these features are copied using the paste special window. I have this source data here. It's a table with student names, math grades percentage, and I also created a conditional formatting based on this math grade percentage. So this data bar represents this value, this data bar represents this value, and so on. So first we will copy and paste the comments, and in the paste special comments option only the comments are copied, and I have included two comments here under these two cells for our purpose. So we are going to select our data and copy using Ctrl+C. Data is copied. I selected the destination as this cell, so it will start pasting from this cell, and Ctrl+Alt+V will bring in the paste special window, and I'm going to select the comments option here, and when I click OK, the comments are pasted and no other data or any other formatting is pasted. So we can double check. You can see that these comments are copied properly. And now I have a data validation under these four cells here. We will double check. We will go to the data tab and go to the data validation tool to make sure. So I have this criteria as all these cells should be whole numbers, and the condition is between, and the minimum 10 and maximum 50. So we will select it, copy by Ctrl+C, and the destination, we will select the destination for pasting the data validation here. So it will start pasting from this cell onwards. Ctrl+Alt+V will bring the paste special window, and we are going to select this time the data validation or the validation here and click OK, and the data is pasted here. We will double check to see that the data validation is copied by selecting these four cells. That is where the data validation is there in the source data. Click on the data validation tool to see whether it's copied, and you will see that it's the same condition or criteria is being copied to the destination cells. We'll click OK, and the next one we are going to see how the conditional formatting is being copied and pasted to a destination. It will copy along with all the data here. So we are going to select our range here, Ctrl+C for copying, and we will select the destination as here. It will start pasting from this cell onwards. Ctrl+Alt+V, and see now it is enabled for us to select this. So all merging conditional formatting, and it is copied here. So you can see that the conditional formatting and along with the data and along with the comments and everything is being copied and pasted to the destination. Now we will see how Paste Special can do math operations while pasting data from one range to another. We will see what are the math operations available with the Paste Special window. We have add. It adds the copied data to the destination cell or range of cells. It subtracts the copied data from the data in the destination cell. It multiplies and it divides the copied data by the data in the destination cell. So first we are going to do the addition operation. So we are going to select this range of numbers here and you are going to copy it by Ctrl+C. Now we are going to paste it to the destination here starting from this cell. What happens when you use that addition operation from the Paste Special? All these cell values will be added to the corresponding cells in the destination. So we are going to bring in that window, Ctrl+Alt+V. Then we select add and click OK. So all these values got added to the destination. Now we will, it's already selected and we are going to do the subtraction here. Click OK. We can do the Alt+ESS keyboard shortcut. So Alt+ESS will bring and already selected the subtraction operation. Click OK and the values, all these values got subtracted from the destination cells. Next we will do the multiplication. We will select the range here. Can do either keyboard shortcut or we can bring the window and select multiply. Click OK and the values got multiplied. These values got multiplied to the corresponding cell values in the destination. The last one is division. We are going to select that. We are going to use the Alt+ESI shortcut and when I click I, the division is selected. When I click OK, these copied values divides the copied data by the corresponding values in the destination cell and the values are shown here. Our next example is how to use skip blanks. Skip blanks option is used when you want to paste a range of cells with possible blanks in it to the another value. When you paste it, it avoids overwriting the data in the destination with the blanks. So in the normal copy and paste, when you select and copy this range of cells with some possible blanks here and copy it into the destination, all these blanks will overwrite the values here. So when you don't want to do that, when you want to avoid doing that, you can use the skip blank operation. So we will do a normal paste, copy and paste first to see our point. Ctrl+C. I'm just going to select this and I'm going to just Ctrl+V to paste it. So only these values got copied and all the blanks replace the values in this cell. So we don't want to do that. So we are going to do an undo here or Ctrl+Z. So these values are selected. Now we are going to do this with a skip blank operation. So we are going to select our range. We can either use Alt+ESB or we can bring in the window Ctrl+Alt+V and here the skip blanks is at the bottom. Select that and click OK. And now you can see that the 10 replace the value here, the 20 replace the value here and the 50 replace the value here, but the blanks did not replace the value here. It did not overwrite the value here. So 30, 50 and 60 remain the same. So that is why we use the skip blanks when you don't want to overwrite your destination with blanks. Next, we will see how Format Painter is used to copy formatting from one cell to another or to a range of cells. So you don't have to make your changes to each cell separate. You can make the changes to one cell and you can copy that into another cell or cells with the help of the Format Painter. So in the first one, we are going to change some formatting to the column headings. So I'm going to do it to the first cell here, make the font color to maybe red and make it bold. And now I want to copy these changes to these two cells. So in the first example, we will see how the changes to one cell is copied to a single cell. So select this, click on that Format Painter once and bring that mouse with the tooltip showing a paintbrush to the cell where you want to make the changes and click it once. And all these formatting changes are copied to this cell. Again, you can select this, click on that Format Painter once and bring it to the third column heading and click once, and again these changes to this formatting, all the formatting changes to this cell are copied to the third cell. In the next option, you will make formatting changes to just one cell and then copy it into a range of cells which are adjacent to each other. So I'm going to make some changes to this dollar amount here. I'm going to make a number formatting change, make it currency and make it maybe just one size, increase the font size to one size bigger. I'm going to select this changes to the rest of the column. So I'm going to select this, I'm going to click the Format Painter once and bring it to the first cell in the range, keep my left mouse down and drag it to the end of the column. So all these values are changed with that one mouse click. Again, we can do it to the next column. Select one cell here, click that Format Painter once, bring it to the first cell in the range, keep the left mouse down, drag it to the end. So all the values are changed and it's showing the same formatting as the first cell. Now the third option is when you want to make some formatting changes to cells which are not adjacent to each other. So how will you do that? So I'm going to make some changes to this cell, this text value. I'm going to make the font color something different. I'm going to make it maybe green. And I want to make this changes to only the adjacent cells. So I cannot drag it because they are not adjacent to each other. So I will select the cell and instead of doing a single click, I'm going to do a double click on my Format Painter. When I double click, it is locked and the tooltip is showing a paintbrush icon again. So I can take it to any cell I want and just click once and make these changes to that cell. So I'm going to do it in this one, just click it and it copied all the formatting to this cell. Now I can take it to the postage. I can skip one and take it to the next one. So I don't have to keep my left mouse pressed or anything because this is locked. I can take it anywhere in the worksheet. So I'll take it, I'll just change only the alternate values here, and once I am done, you can see that it is locked because it's pressed. Take it to the Format Painter again and just click it once to release it. So that is the third option when you want to make some formatting changes to cells which are not adjacent to each other. So that is pretty much we have for the Format Painter. So in this tutorial, we just looked at the paste options available to us, and we also looked at the Format Painter. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see soon with another Excel 2019 fundamentals. And in the meanwhile, play with Excel and practice, and thank you for watching.